Yes, you found me. Great news. You're here because you want to generate more leads for your business, you want to get more appointments and more sales, especially at this moment in time. Pretty shit going on. However, if you're within the expert space and you're looking to really kind of utilize that and you're not too sure still, you see all this stuff online, people tell you how to do this and do that, and it may not have all kind of configured for you yet. So the easiest way, if you've got a book or a guide, or about to write a book or a guide, is my way, if I'm honest with you. Starting April the 1st, as we all may well be cocooned into our own homes or wherever we may well be, I'll be launching an online training program for you, which basically helps you build your expertise, build traffic, build sales funnels that actually work in a 30-day period. Myself and my team will be there every single day via Skype or Zoom. So we'll be giving you half hour, 1 hour teachings every single day. There'll be presentations for you to have a look at. There'll be a step-by-step guide for you to go through every single day. So by the end of the 30-day period, if you don't really know too much about it or you're a little bit kerfuffled with it all, this particular online training program will definitely help you become the expert in your field. But more importantly, it will generate leads, it will generate appointments, and it will generate sales. If that's what you're after, then stay tuned. If you're not, you can do one. So I'm just going to take you through it now. This is my favourite little jotter pad, so I'm kind of trying to be off the cuff here, but sometimes, you know, the memory's not as good as it once was. I'm just going to go through exactly what you're going to get. Obviously on the page here it will tell you what you're going to get as well, but I love my whiteboard. So basically what it's going to be a 30-day training program. Okay, so 30 days, every single day you're going to turn up, I'm going to turn up, my team are going to turn up, and we're going to help you build and create. Simple as that. You will become the expert. Simple as that. Okay. We're also going to teach you how to get content that sells, how to write that, how to distribute that, how to make that happen. We're going to teach you all of social media marketing. There will be a copywriting masterclass from Nick Harper. Doesn't know it quite yet, but he will. So Nick has been a trained journalist for over 25 years. He's interviewed some of the greats, Tiger Woods onwards to David Beckham's. So Nick will be giving you a copywriting masterclass on how content can sell. We'll be telling you how to repurpose your content, even the stuff that you have at the moment. It frustrates me with what we do because obviously we produce loads of guides and books and videos and everything for everybody, and they kind of do it the once and then they don't use it again, which is a little bit weird. We'll tell you how to repurpose it, when to repurpose it, and this is all within the 30 days as well. So you'll be building and creating all the way through. As I said before, there will be daily live videos similar to this on the whiteboard, on the computer, PowerPoint, different presentations every single day that will be structured and give you a clear goal of, from day one, this is what we will be doing, and onwards all the way to day 30, and you will be doing something every single day. You'll be implementing what we're teaching you every day. You have to turn up, otherwise there's no point even going any further. You're talking about an hour to an hour and a half per day to basically grow your business, grow yourself, and as I said, get more leads, get more appointments, get more sales. So whenever this virus is over, you know, you'll be well ahead of the game. Also, the key thing, what I'll be teaching is how to get traffic. So how to get traffic to your landing pages, websites, etc. I'll also give you, as part of joining on this particular course, I will be giving you our world famous, well I call it world famous, but it is our world famous sales funnel. So if you've got a book, if you've got a guide, we'll be teaching you everything. So that's from emails, landing pages, traffic conversions, checkout pages, upsells, cross-sells, all of that stuff. Yes, you've got ClickFunnels, you can do that all yourself, but we'll actually teach you and give you the actual step-by-step process. Okay, and you will build that again within 30 days. In fact, most of you, I'm pretty sure, will be able to build that within the first week of our teachings. Okay, so that's something I'm really going to be pushing. I will give you that free of charge. Okay, We would help you through that. There is a question and answer session on there. There is a help desk on there for you. So if you're building and you're looking to create how you can use your expertise in a guide or a book, if you have written it, if you haven't written it, it's irrelevant because it's going to work for you regardless. We'll show you all the tricks of the trade starting April the 1st, okay? All I want you to do now is kind of register your interest, make the payment. The payment is, if I'm honest, pretty goddamn cheap. It's just going to be £397. Simple, that's it. That's all I'm asking. I'm asking you to commit for 30 days. I'm asking you to show up every single day, from 30 minutes to an hour with us on Zoom or Skype, and then you're going to probably implement again, maybe for another half hour, an hour after. So that's all. Everything's going to be set for you. You will have to do a little bit of the work. It's not going to be all done for you. But what I will do is make sure everyone that signs up for this, you will be able to have the right strategy in place for your book, for your guide, and you'll be able to use this forevermore. Okay, I'm such a nice guy, aren't I? Such a nice fella. So if you're interested, all you've got to do is go to the next steps. That's it, no more. If you want to have a 30-day online training program starting April the 1st, if you are already or looking to become the expert within your field, if you want to write content that sells, if you want to learn really the true facts of social media marketing and how it works, daily and weekly copywriting masterclasses, daily live trainings with myself and the team, how to get traffic to your landing pages and sales pages and checkout pages that I'll be showing you myself. And as I said, I'll be helping you build and create an unstoppable sales machine. All for that, £397. I'm too generous. If you're interested, click on, and I will see you on the other side.